First, we'll start by fitting our character to size. Use AutoFit to snap your character to 180 centimeters, and use the height slider to fine-tune. Next, go to the Skeleton tab. For this rig, we can't start with a biped or a quadruped, so we'll start with just a root joint. For the head and mantle, let's use a spine module. Then for the tentacles, we can use the tail module. Moving the chain off center will automatically change the color to blue on the left and red on the right. The tail module allows you to move the start and the end joints, and then the middle joints you can move into place later on. You can change the amount of middle joints in the tail module options. Turn on the Edit Middles toggle to move around the middle joints. Right-click a module to duplicate it. Select a name and name tokens, and it'll automatically name the child joints. Right-click to rename your modules. This will rename all of the joints that are associated with the module as well. Right-click your module to mirror it. Now that the skeleton is finished, let's get to skinning. Press the Skin button to go to the Skin Weights tab. Use the Influences hierarchy to mask out any influences you don't want in the bind. Press the Generate Skin Weights button to get your automatic bind. After your weights come back, a procedural range of motion animation is applied to your skeleton to help with your skin weighting. Select the Paint Palette tool to edit your weights. Use the selection mode to target certain vertices. Use the hammer tool to hammer out those problem weights. Mirror the weights when you have one side looking good. Press the Export button to get to the Export tab. Then press the Export button in the viewport to export your model. Press this to get to the UEIK joint. Press this to move the pelvis directly over the root. Use this to match the mannequin rest pose. Then press Export USDC and choose your output directory. And that's it. Your rig is ready to be imported into Unreal Engine.